Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video is going to feature 14 big hair trends that we're going to be seeing in 2023. So if you follow this channel on a regular basis, you already know many of the major trends that we're going to be seeing this season, from layered hairstyles to bold hair coloring. 2023 will truly be the year of expressing yourself through your hair, having a little bit of fun with color, thinking outside the box, and just experimenting overall when it comes to your hairstyles. You can also layer your hair to create some more volume, or just of course cut all of your hair off and go with a pixie haircut. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.